The active driving display is an optional feature that allows you to view information while still keeping your eyes safely on the road ahead. It may appear as a windscreen or auto flip-up type display. Numerous systems can be viewed on the active driving display, such as blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, current vehicle speed, lane departure warning, smart brake support, vehicle speed setting using cruise control, adjustable speed limiter, and turn-by-turn and lane guidance. The settings for the active driving display can be adjusted on the center screen. Touch this icon, select the active driving display tab, then choose a setting to adjust. Never adjust it manually. For more details, please refer to your owner's manual.